fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Out come the openers, cheered by a good crowd in. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Beautiful shot by the batsman. That's 4 more. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. Oh, beats the edge and the batsman has played all around that one. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. Oh, that's skewed away from the edge of the bat for 4. He looks in good batting form. He's very lucky to get away with that one. That's skillful bowling. The batsman should watch the ball closely and get in line at the ball. But that's going to be 4 all right. Sweet. That ball deserved a boundary. Good aggressive intent shown by the batsman. Couldn't time that well as you would have liked. Oh, he's thrown it wide. Good shot for a single. Came around quickly to cover the throw. I tell you what, the slow ball won't be a bad option on this pitch. That's a good shot from the batsman. Wasn't the best ball though. That ball deserved a boundary. He's not going to miss out on those. Well, he has to bowl that one again. Turned away for a single. Spinner brought into the attack. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Missing his line there, wide signalled. Delivery almost unplayable. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Edged and nicely taken by the fielder. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. That was some smart bowling, enticing the batsman to play at that one. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. Good shot for a single. It's a full house here, and what an atmosphere we've had for this match. That struck beautifully. Terrific shot that. That's an amazing shot. Beautiful timing. He's too good a player not to take advantage of anything loose. Up in the air. Got him. That's a loose shot by the batsman. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. They wanted to hit. Spin him back. I think that's a good move. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Carved away through the gap for 4. That is smart batting. That was a good ball and equally well played by the batsman. You're such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Well, that's a slaughter. Any top order batsman would have struggled with that one. And there comes the celebration and the crowd loves it. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. Must be so disappointed with that shot. That was a fantastic piece of bowling. Good shot for a single. I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Turned away for a single. He really had to reach for the ball to collect it. Well, the captain has been very smart with his bowling changes. Very good running between the wickets. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. Bowlers can actually get extra bounce by bowling cutters on this pitch. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Batsman losing his concentration there. That's high in the air. Loose shot and the fielder pulls off a beauty. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. He looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. He knew it from the moment he hit it. They had got it all wrong. The close-in fielder should be on their toes to ensure that the batsman stays on strike. Good line appeal. The umpire thinks otherwise. And he decides not to take. Oh, that's a good delivery, right on the money. That was a moral victory for the bowler. Good shot for a single. Shot. That's an excellent cricket shot. He gets 4 for it. That ball deserved a boundary. He's not going to miss out on those. Oh, that's picked up and straight into the crowd for a 6. Gorgeous shot, found the middle of the bat there. That's a beauty. The batsman had to play at that one. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. Shot, lovely shot right from the middle of the bat. That ball deserved a boundary. He looks in good batting form. Beautiful bowling, hitting the right legs. Tell you what, that previous delivery must be playing in the batsman's head. 4 runs, plays into the gap fabulously. Lovely timing, ball hitting the sweet spot. Will he take him on again? Let's see. That's gone high. Well, that's out. Poor shot from the batsman. Must be kicking himself. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. A long walk back to the pavilion. Doesn't look happy at all. Couldn't time the ball well enough and picks up the fielder. The bowler's got his tail up. Terrific bowling that. Well bowled, past the edge of the bat.